want to see UPE and universal secondary education become what the government intended them to be by removing the causes of the current extra charges that make these schools unaffordable and inaccessible for some children. And we know that you say something about that because you have been addressing it throughout your whole campaign trail. Secondary schools, the next term of the NRM government should consider some of the current 11 sub-counties that do not yet have a public secondary school by establishing there a seed secondary school of government. Bursaries. The number of government bursaries the district receives for tertiary and university education should take into consideration the population size of Ntungamo district. Maintenance of roads. The large land size of the district requires that Ntungamo is allocated additional road units and funding to enable each of the countries, Kajara, Rushenyi, and Ruhama, have their own dedicated road units to cope with the extensive road network of more than 2,000 kilometers in the district. Water. There are 166 villages that do not yet have access to safe water. The wetlands around Lake Nyabhoko should be protected and the lake utilized as a source of large-scale safe water supply to serve Rushenyi and Kajara counties, as River Akagera is also tapped to provide water for Greater Ruhama County. With the many PDM enterprises being established at household levels, there is a growing demand for the government to provide affordable domestic water for production to support intensive agriculture enterprises. Livestock. The district has struggled with the problem of ticks that are resistant to most of the current acaricides. So the farmers are looking for a solution from the government. Agriculture. There is need to support agricultural production by attracting investments in value addition and markets for produce from the priority enterprises currently focused on by PDM. In conclusion, I appreciate the people of Ntungamo who have come here in these great numbers, large, very large numbers, to welcome our president to Ntungamo. However, this is just the start of a long race now until the 15th of January 2026, and I want you to make that note. Is already the mobilization of our people. Imulantumu mumpurre elizoba ngoto atandika the Rio campaign. And it is important that every household in each village is mobilized, so each eligible voter comes to cast their ballot on the voting day. We should aim for 99% this time round. Abantungamo has to kutunga 99% of rural NRM in Ntungamo district this time round. For the presidential candidate, this time we must make sure we get 99%. So those of NRM supporters who sit back and say President Museveni has already won should not stay at home on voting day because you do not come and vote. If you do not come and vote, how will he win And even if he wins, how can he win with the largest percentage ever? So please hear me, mumpurira abanyantungamo, twena twatandikira izoba campaign kandi in 2099 this time round. Ngenda ngugume nimwijwa ayihanga ryaitu eri rya Uganda rigire hare kandi ihanga tuhire obusinge nimwe mwebuuze aha tushitireho tutahitahika ekikuru kya byona Uganda ehikire aheri ahabw'obusinge bwetsirwe gavumenti yaitu ruhanga nagikozesa ruhanga akozese NRM konka naitwe aine ebyakwenda ngu twekorere mbwenu mwine kwijuka ekyo ruhanga akozese President Museveni naleadinga gavumenti egi konka obururu nikyo twine kubiteera mbwenu kikuru kureba ngu obusinge obwo obutukiza ahi turi twabukuuma kandi tumarire. Ekindi gavumenti ya NRM ekareta obusinge ahabw'okuba ekabeerembeza okusaasirana n'okugarukana marriage forgiveness and reconciliation. Mbwenu kikuru munonga kureba ngu abanyantungamo ekintu kya reconciliation mwakimweza omu bunaku obu turimu obw'akarungu. Reconciliation among the people ababeire bemereire n'ababeire nibenda kwemera independence ntwenda reconciliation nyaburamu omu kiiju nahabwekyo niyenda kutwara omugisha ogu okusiima omwami Barungi Richard oikiriize ngu hati ayetegereze ekyokukora ahabw'okuba nayenda kwombeka movement astepingire down ngu asupportinge candidate waitu ahabw'obulungi bwa movement. Naza kumuhagira nahagira flag bearer wetu w'ekibiina omukyala Beatrice Lwakimali omu Ruhama constituency. Omwami Barungi Richard n'omukyala Lwakimali nimbashaba waha muheru president yaheza kugamba nene nije mwemereraha muteze ekishushani na president. Ondiijo n'omwami Naboth Mpirirwe oikiriize kwemerera aha rubaju akareka flag bearer w'ekibiina kya movement Honorable Sam Muchunguzi ahabw'entebe ya LC5 chairman. Mbwenu nabo bombi nimbashaba ngu bwanyumaho kake nabo beije bemerera aha bateze ekishushani na president. Your Excellency ninkwanjurira abantu abareebire omushana buzima bakeshariraho okuruga omu kibiina kya NUP bakeija movement. Abantu abo ow'okubanza ni Kamarade Gad abeire ayesimbire omu NUP mbwenu arugiremu hati nawe nituija kumureeba bwanyumaho kake. Ondiijo naitwa twine Manzi Kamugira nawe abeire ari omu NUP ayemereire nka Rushenyi MP nawe arugire omu yagaruka omu movement. Era omukyala Deborah Namara nawe abeire ari omu FDC nka Rushenyi MP candidate nawe ekiriize to stand down for the NRM flag bearer, Honorable Naomi Kabashaga. As I conclude, I cannot forget to thank in a special way Right Honorable Kayoga, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, who made a big commitment to support us as the NRM in Ntungamo district, to help us to bring these people together for reconciliation. He has been here with us engaging with the various candidates both NRM independents and those opposition, to help them return to the NRM family and its direction of moving going forward. We thank you, Right Honorable Tayebwa. Mwena Musimiro Omkuru Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Tayebwa, Wemir yatu ya mbiri. Mwebade mnonga, kandi mkama vampero mujisha, NRM oye! NRM oye! Ntungamo oye! Uganda oye! Thank you, mkama vampero mujisha.
Thank you, Mama Webala Munonga. Can we give a good clap for Mama for the wonderful remarks? Asante sana. Thank you. We thank you for bringing these wonderful friends from NUP and FDC. We also thank you because there are others from other districts in the neighborhood. We shall be receiving them at the end of the President's speech. But you are most welcome to NRM. May I now invite the Regional Vice Chairman to come and give his very brief remarks, and thereafter the Speaker of Parliament will invite the President to speak to us. The other two that cross from other parties are Mr. Tumwine Jordan, who was a new parliamentary flag bearer for Rwampara County. He has come and joining NRM today, and we thank you for coming. We also have Mr. Kayanja Geoffrey, who was also the new parliamentary flag bearer for Nakaseke North. Thank you so much for coming. We shall receive you officially at the end of the President's speech. You are most welcome. Mr. Chairman.
Thank you so much. Ntungamo oye! NRM oye! Museveni oye! Mama oye! Our party chairman, His Excellency, Mama, our mentor, our SEC members, ministers, and everybody, allow me to greet you and allow me to thank my party chairman of Ntungamo for the wonderful work you have done. And as the vice chairman, I will continue supporting the good cause to ensure that Ntungamo is really kicking in high gears. I want also to congratulate my new members who have joined me. I'll get time and be with you and ensure that we get the ideology of the party and see how we can work together to make our Uganda a better country. Allow me again invite our second national vice chairperson, female, to address and invite our party chairman as we maintain the time for His Excellency. Thank you.
If you love President Museveni, raise your flags. You love Mama, Mama, Mama.
Mani mkunda mama, mwireze.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda.
President Wito Murunji.
And our flag bearer of the NRM party.
Kandi flag bearer Witu, which we nachicha NRM.
Our chairperson of the NRM party in Ntungamo.
Kana chairperson Witu, our district in Ntungamo.
Who is also the First Lady and Mama Janet Kataha Museveni.
Kandari Mama Wito Murunji, Mama Janet Museveni.
We want to thank you for this massive mobilization.
Mama ntwenda kwebaza yebale kumobilizing abantu abanibingi munonga.
And we want to thank you
kandi twenda kwebaza
for hosting Muzei in this place.
webale okutaayisa muzeeyi wetu.
The people of Ntungamo,
Abantu ba Ntungamo
we have been in Lango,
tutwire muri Lango,
West Nile,
twaze mu West Nile,
Acholi,
twaze muri Acholi,
Karamoja,
twaze muri Karamoja,
Teso,
twaze muri Teso
Busoga.
na Busoga.
The people of that area
Abantu b'ebyange ebyo
have told me to tell you that they thank you so much for producing a visionary leader for this country.
banjira mbagambire kandi mbebaze nti mwebale kuzaale manzi.
The person that is from this area is the only hope for this country.
Kandi ogwo manzi eitwaziire nigo masigo g'ihanga lyaitu lya Uganda.
Without the son of this soil, this country will not be what it is.
Kuli mutalaziire omwana ogwo manzi ihanga eri tilyakuba eriri liti nk'oku liri.
Some of us are what we are because of the son of this soil.
Bamwe tuli nk'oku tuli ab'omwana wanyu ogwo.
We used not to sleep in our houses.
Itwe tukatakaabyamu mu maju gitu.
That is if we had houses anyway.
Konka atiya tulina obusinge.
But now we have total peace in northern and eastern Uganda.
Tulina obusinge omu bicweka bya northern na eastern.
We have roads from one border of the country to the other border.
Tulina enguudo nungi kuruga boda kutandiijo.
Courtesy of the blessed son of this soil.
Ebyo byona bikozirwe omwana wanyu kuruga butakaaha.
Your Excellency, you have made us what we are.
Pulezidenti otukozire ekituli.
And we will do everything to see how we support you to be in this position.
Kandi ntukulaganisa tuzakola kyona ekikubasika kulebeka nti entebe yawe egyo na n'omwanya gwawe wagumamu.
Because we don't have what to pay you.
Akuba titwine ekikubaasa kushashura, Your
But we
Excellency.
will do whatever it takes to make sure we promote the party and the country that you made stable.
NRM.
Mama, we want to thank you for being a prayer warrior for this country.
Mama,
Mama, for the time I have grown, I have known one minister of Karamoja.
Mama, kuyanimbawo nyomanyire minister omwe wa Karamoja.
And the minister of Karamoja is Mama.
Kandi minister wa Karamoja ogwe ni mama.
Because we are peaceful there because of what Mama did in Karamoja.
Tuyina obusinge abo birungi mama ebyakoze muri Karamoja.
Karamoja is now peaceful. Teso is peaceful because of the mindset change Mama did in Karamoja.
Ebicweka ebyo byona byina obusinge abwa ebirungi mama nabishentekateka ezyalisire mu byange ebyo.
We now don't have Karamoja cattle rustlers. We have thieves.
Ati tutwachina benda tayira Karamoja bakutwara ente konkatiya.
We have thieves, not cattle rustlers.
Aliyo abashuma.
The Karamoja have stopped stealing cows because of what Mama did.
Abakaramoja bakarekeraho kwibente abo butegetsi bulungi mama buyatiro muri Karamoja.
So the peace in that area was contributed by Mama.
Obusinge obulyo muri Karamoja mama akatawo mukono muhango munonga kulebeka mbatungo obusinge.
And I want to thank you for supporting Muzei in his campaign.
Kandi twenda kwebaza yebale bantu kushajika Muzei.
As NRM, we are very grateful.
Kandi nkitwe kibiina kya NRM tulina okushemerwa.
And we know we have the best candidate.
Kandi mama n'okimanya nti ogwakitamya Rubaju niwe best candidate owetwine.
Our candidate,
Mukandidate witogwe
the flag bearer of NRM,
kandi atukwatire bendera ya
a
NRM.
person who believes in the wealth of this country,
Omushaija akwikiriza omubugiga bw'ihanga.
person who believes in the peace of this country.
Omushaija akwikiriza nti tugume tulina obusinge.
Please come and talk to your people.
Ijoganirira abantu b'abantu.
NRM oye!
NRM oye!
NRM oye! President Museveni oye! Mama oye!
Speaker oye. Kale reka tubire muzeya aliena ija kutuganira huba chone choine. Ntungamo oye. Museveni oye. Huba rebe yere yanga aliena lirebe mutuyaba muzeyi. Muhube mutakaruha. Basebo na banyabo. Ntungamo oye. Museveni oye. Thank you.
Kale bayrite yokuştan başlamıyor. Abantu bari mu muhoro mubare kujabe y'umuti. Vice Chairperson wa NRM wa Umchara, and Speaker of Parliament, Vice Chairperson Western, Secretary General, Aaron Mzalanda Bona, Mumuga Yantolo. Nilikuwa zamama Chairperson wanyu wa report ya district mdogo. Hati meja na wembe abandi kwanzura elele kuza gukora ya government mukishangi mu Uganda echa ikumira mukaba ikumira bashatu na gumwe cyane bwera bwo cyane cya manifesto ekime kunja kureta ahamirika yanyu umucandi gikomo harimo amatafari mushanju enare magetera hanju ya Uganda umyaka 8 itafari yo kubanza no bushinge Maranga abumurmego nabandishingiro binagati nabagandira emiringo 3 ikarabishingiro n'indwana nukumwe shanjumubiri nkarabayo ntubana changamunda nkarabayo marabayo n'umbundu ahankara buhumurinde ibiri shangu na munda cyane cyane betati tuje mushinge tuje mu cyakanye ya Uganda taramutaro ikiti kishibara hanga enare hanga akozesera rem kuleta ubusinge mu Uganda mbere y'itafari na ndeme NRM etanaga ya Uganda betu tusima ranga kutereza amanago tibetu namani baranga itafari ya kabiri n'inturuka enenda viviri obazorme michoko tumurviri economic infrastructure imsingimentasya erimubuto erimashanyarazi erimusumu erimumezi erimu n'ibindika ibindi bakamakizi yabagote internet harimo n'agari y'Amerika ibibyona biri ububavu bw'uturuka urubuga umusingi y'orientation economic infrastructure birazaho ububanyi wa kabiri social infrastructure imisingi ibintu y'abantu kunanisha na report ya iyi ni hari mfayiro yanjye kandi na report ya mama umurebe bikozwe yakora kurga Kampala kuja Kabale hatujikore ibintu bitashatu kibakamo birabaha twateye ariko byari kundiri twageneza yaka kanungu yakishasha atekeketi ecyantura mu rukungiri ingotege kuvire mbaza kugira kabo Kongala koruto bene kutafayo ati bakso abuna argaun PM ekabel ku minonga ekene ni nabingi ati shukuna tolene nabo ebina badi garati kungira nyuma zina yini na bitarmu koruto kuzire nibyo kugira kamo abuko yakuzire konga bina ebina babtabi mbona kuza abakaba kugirize Banyuma kwa tahunguto ekugaha kafugo muramahiro kakitunga imeka gikora abanyene ko tuza kwinguto ekuruga muramahiro tuzakitwe kuza kuborogota kikagate kandi kuri hariyo nguto eri kurwabereye ekaraba nyanza ekaraba n'umusozi egeje kafunikira ka Buyanda ekaza amahera atanu anana mushina nana munana yaba ni atanu munana ibyo nguto n'ibyo Erukuruga kitwe ekabalkoni ekabanda ekafunikira mutera rugo ngabo cyo bitezo tuja kuzikora amashanyarazi nabanisha mufanye nabo bashyire hambuga z'amagomero nyingi n'ija amashanyarazi bikaboneka garukira Kasese twageha Kasese twagareta ishaka twagishaka twagatabasha twagata gaka gahogaza kabari bagacyo ene muri wese y'amashanyarazi mu cyangwa cyo nacyo ni kikasoro Amezi abufitanye n'imvura fayiro na isigare tigene wetere imvura kubera imvura hamwe n'ukoze abamezi kongesho ng'empango undi amezi kongera amezi yo kunywa ntonde amezi yo kushikira ibihingire okushikira ibihingire kandi akabezo no chango okukira okutegereza imvura kwereka kamureke hariya hasikuriri icyo tutimba mu Ruganda mbereke okutukushikira amezi ubwire dushenyi umufamu ya president ya Bushenyi
rice. Plantation, which you've had, we've already gone beyond 50 tons of yield per hectare per year. Matoke is very important part is water, but especially in the dry season. So here we are using irrigation, drip irrigation, as you can really see, using water, especially in the dry season. Irrigation, the advantage with it is that it sends water where it is required. It does not depend on national water. We make our own water, which we pump every day. 90% of the water is used for irrigation, and the other 10% is processed for use in power plant and estate residential areas. This farm, as per NEMA allows us to use a third of the water flow. But in the dry season, we even just use 12% of the water flow. So there is still enough water which we can pump. We've already finished the feasibility study to distribute the same irrigation water to the farmers, mainly along the water pipeline. So the structures you are seeing here are mainly to do primary filtration of the water. You are seeing the color of the water through that aeration. It's our water in the western region is full of iron. So we always reduce the iron content by passing it through the air. Each of the pump 12 cubic meters per hour, and it has a lift height of 140 meters. That's why we are pumping it 110 meters from here. Where we are standing is 110 meters below the reservoir where it is being pumped. You see these ready tanks? Those ready tanks are full of sand. To again continue the filtration of the water, we are using drip system, which uses very, very fine water. We should not be having any floating particles to block the system. Many people, when they hear His Excellency talking about 53 tons, people wonder if that's possible or not. You'll be able to see the size of the branches, the plantation, how it looks like, and how it is irrigated. Each of these plants loses.
Atogo musiri urutoke n'urwa gavumenti kungana kurwa umukugu wokaza Dr. Muranga ntushye kandi tutamuri urwezo ati tutema ebitoke mu hectare ni kahikiri nakagwesho bamu tutema ebitoke tani 53 umwaka umhectare. Abanyankora abarahene itushenye bono batema tani 5 ntubakiza emirundi 10 ukweza ebitoke nabwekyo mawe akabari umurokore akarakokera aha abarokore bakabagira ukwebembera ukumushana kutari kumwirima mbone kushangesi etaka n'ikigano cyo kushikira ibihinga ntuza kusigeganisa rahanga yateretse jura n'umushango ntukura n'ijoro y'amani n'ubukafiri n'ubutagira umushana maboko yabereye umuntu atakumenya icyo ukarya ato gutakumenya arahanga icyo gukora ibi yakukora mbona ati nyanda twese bisharebe okushikera MCD kinga ma projects na projects zina koka umugambi nteri kwija kumura hagire na rem tuja kutamani akushikera ebihingwa byone twese ebifunje kongera urwezo kongera haraba imshingiria ibietasia abentunguka urubaju rw'emishingiye yeto y'abantu namanige bahumfairo amashomero gumene ni mengi kongana areba n'ahamarwaro nareba n'amarwaro ga Health Center 3 abirna shatu kandi minaga Health Center 4 ana kandi mwirwaro ritojo mbonye ko muto wangiro ni simarango kureba amarwaro gugengere mengi gatyo abo kubitwe yimugwe tarahama hati ekabera hamana rwampara zikarisha zarumwe ndinga nyakayojo ndishika namazira tumugamanya ndumugenyi konka itu tugeta kamera haro katindwaho utakagira umugenyi ikifundo cy'umuntu bake urukino rwata kamera so eke yisha zarhango mnongo kurgambarra kwika umugenyi umushazerio akarimwe irwara umujoka dispensary eya kinoni yonka kinoni dispensary dero ishazeri akajara akar markumiro latana mkaga bayindero dispensary kitwe bokana bageta ruwe nyangi inguma yabo kibagindwe mbona dispensary ina uzabiziri ekitweka ateke ekiruru wampara mutuba district dispensary ina zonka matunkura umuntu health center akatonyera akatonyera kenjura tikakumbi ngahamuru mugwanje hati ukureba mutwine mwira marwaro abirna shatu agahere Center 3 minana agahere Center 4 district hospital umurhama yonka na kashara utatere mu Rwampara n'ikintu cyikushemeza nyowe nabo cyaho numureba ngo NRM etere itafari ya kabiri alingada etunguka kandi tungera kurhamia konkaho tukagera mpaka na bibiri umyaka ya kaga tushiriya beji ubwirobo abantu bakaba entunguka enguto ndikubona namati amashomero amarwariro bagakira ati tutawabuza kuri kwandi hakora si implementation mukayange mukinyamba ki ito abatobomu abahangiromu tutandikira cyo bugeiga umunyankore ko abana kuhasurira akugira tukatunge nte n'urutoki nuko kuhasurira kw'abanyankore okushabira takugira atikaza rukorasi akugira tukatunge nte n'urutoki uyakushabira atunge nte n'urutoki kazaba abana nuko kushaba kw'abanyankore no kujya atkazahira korasi tikajuriraga mbonaho nutwarire okuga abantu bakabere mu kuga twabajastinga entunguka nungi konko bugega bw'amaka buri kukenura abantu kubahika ahambiri abanyabushozi bakahirwa abuko kutwafurikira aha nazanyabushozi ubutwarwa kandi yo mu junior secondary 2 1960 Mbara High School Kongana nazantare kunagiye kuza kwezantare twagaba twafurike twagiye nyabushozi atwatandike ngiri yekase yamaka umunyabushozi ejo twatugenda nebigere turgo maka tuzahantushomesa abantu bahurira ngiri yitu kamuri cyane mbere abantu bahurira ngiri yitu Utenge kureba niho kandi katakanda wiki huwa taaluma hawajadani nirisha yakanya nabataka musemazo wakorun kwenda wafukiza bana bihirire naturuhu
And our farm will collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Atumwero mshejogo matongo tashomire akadi mnyacyaro onyacyaro onyankore abantu korenda yonka batakomanya gukora sente kuko twabahire ngiri basimuka hato gumukure barumbiga wahurra ngo natunda rita 900 zamate buri zobo matumi cyangwa icyo eri hansi abuka amateni menshi rita eri arushinge runani ukaba ko amateni menshi umukozi natase miliyoni 21 umwaka natase miliyoni 250 nimureba ayombekereje n'ingi yatamusora yashomesa abantu kwishimana mureba na gamburuju na graduate atogomye cyaro abukurengiri yitu yo kugaigahara yes entunguka ni nkuru konko ugigabwa maka ni bukuru munonga hati n'umuntu musya kandi byona abikozire arahare na korasi uko yari ngoma numero 7 ukurga ikorasi Chorus Ruero, where Kurimu Ngoma, 70 miles away. Konka, Etungu Kaninche, Konko Bugega Burio. Atwa abatukabashoboza takagire mu government yabezi twaza kurwana twargayo twaza mu government engire twagenegeze yo kushomesa abantu umukaruru kacyana mukaga twakito manifesto ngo abantu abita Karfuzi bakora ibintu mushanje bakorese fere kazodo yikene batemu mwani ikeya kabiri batemu rujuma ikeya kashatu batemu obunyatsu gwente z'umbuju ikeya kana batemu ibikuriye byeka ekanyuma bateye nkoko z'amahuri bateye impunu kandi abarahene bishara barishe n'inyaja mbona abandi bakahurura okhabura kwezi mbona hariho umuntu mu mutabasangwa arukamuri gusoga katerebi yakoze
Sangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge, Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. Foot ya 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twalinga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Kawuga bamwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo eky'emirembe nga bamutwiremu abantu bangi abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5 ayi president yaida yatulungamya yakoba ati bana abantu mwena mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukole emirimu egyindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byonna byonna yayogera nze nakukinga mu ky'okulunda enkoko n'atandika efaamu 2007 n'enkoko 5 saawadi muwendogerera ku faamu kuno kize mabega ntambwire wezejjala nkyalira mu 2010 ng'anima enkoko 5 yasanukaini saawadi no tutambwire tulina enkoko emitwalo 10 tufunye amagi etwe 2 buli lunaku etwe 2 divamu milioni 2 buli lunaku omwezi diva milioni 6 omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze 6 n'ekitundu
mahura basangwa ngo bakabaye barwanda karumuka LC5 ekwibe na mshanju munazayo n'abanyentimu ibiko bagambira hati imubana mwe omukusisira ubire bona umupolitiksi mubanda karumuka mwe ka LC5 abuki mutakore ibindi nabahabure ibiko bahabura hati ibintu mushanju biriya bikora hafunzire hamwe nkoko z'amahuri yatandika ate tukugambira buri zoba natunda trays 12 z'amahuri buri zoba natunga miliyoni 20 z'esente buri zoba ukwezi miliyoni 6 umwaka ubuhumbi mushanju na miliyoni 200 hano undijo obakweta Joseph Ijara. Let's see Joseph Ijara. Waserere.
Hello, my name is Joseph Ijala. I'm the proprietor of Teka Farm, which is located in Serere in a place called Kakusi, where we are. And in Taifa we have Bayare, poultry, and we're also making laundry bar soap. But we also have the value addition aspect of the farm, where we produce yogurt and pack it, tin it for the market. This project started 11 years ago, at an inspiration from His Excellency, the President of Uganda, when he had come here and he was teaching people about the 4-acre model. We were in Soroti, and that time I was working as a taxi driver. I was doing that Massa business in Soroti. So when I had this, when I had it was around, I crossed to go and listen to his story. And he was talking about a 4-acre model, how to improve household income. So when I came back, I was fired because I got there and the guy said, you go and eat those words that you had. But I had already, but I also had local chicken here. But after hearing that, I got inspired to put more effort on raising this chicken. So I raised the chicken to the tune of about 100 of them. Then I got a small incubator. That was about 4 eggs. So I used that incubator for multiplying my local chicken farm. Literally, I was having 1,500 local chicken around. And I was very famous for local chicken. So by then, local chicken were not answering my day-to-day needs. So I decided to translate it to layers. In Taifa Farm, we have 10,000 layers, which give me about 310 trays per day. And each tray goes at a price of 10,500. So after the 3 million, about 3 million shillings a day from the eggs that we get. Of course, it varies depending on the cost of the feeding, but at least a half goes for management, a half goes to our pocket as Taifa. So after selling the layers, that money I invested it on dairy. I started dairy with 4 cows, but you know I have multiplied very fast because I'm using AI. I have my own semen bank here, so I do artificial insemination, and then I also got a vet who was able to train some of us here with the veterinary knowledge. I think he's even here, that gentleman there. So the cows that I'm going to show you are cows that are bred from Taifa Farm that produce, my highest produces 36 liters per day, and my lowest is at 20 right now, each cow. So 36, between 20 and 36 liters per day. And they all have names. I name them.
Atogo ni Joseph Ijala. Akahorera injiri yanjye umwaka 2012 nkaba ndi Soroti akana buga taxi yahora ningambi nkubagambira hati we ashara mukuza kurise nkoko ati nkoko ubona kwata filmu ejo akaba natunda trays bishatu 10 buri zo akana atase milioni 3 buri zo kanda kuya wanyuma yatunga nente za matizumana murebo ubakana atunda magana 3 konkati ubundi gire hato mu campaign eji angiza tinke yongera hati umunte umate hamuno munkoko buri zoba nintasya milioni 6 n'emitwaro 8 kandi ubwo nakora serere y'umunda tere nakora ingutu tunungi munonga konka hariyo obugayi kabaje nakoleka katurebo wakara moja
Akorea Dick Ogira. I am a model farmer in the district. My village here is called Arangetai West. Arangetai Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim District, in Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the president through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings, and I planted all, and they are all doing well. Apart from this venture, I got money from PDM last year. I got 880,000. And I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats. And the goats are there. They are multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money of PDM I used for buying cassava stems. Through that money, I've managed to plant 2 acres of cassava. They are now doing well. The first acre I intend to harvest next year in January. Then for the mangoes, you are seeing, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Soroti Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling 1 at 500 shillings, 2, 1,000. And people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes trees you see here are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I call it wealth now. I always harvest. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank the President so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million.
Now,
Next.
Ogum Kureba, Arkaramuja, Mahiro Maganata, Nukurga, Operation Wealth Creation, a company in Yajara. Kandi Operation Wealth Creation, a cater Karamuja and Kiker Horna, Nakunu Kagabi, Mbuvo, Nakunuya, Uganda Yona, Konkawe, Yajhamia, Yaviarimi Embe, Atono Horobus of our quest. Manati, it is for Yakashat, the NRM, Eterari Uganda, Okabravanto, Umrete Kujira, Umunguto, Amashanazi, Editatuena. Uworo n'ubwawe yunko muntu obwega n'ubwawe nko muntu nimurara akora shikiro kubwira norara akora shi nimurara kai umakaganye atwobwar ko wawe warga hati wagar kai no shango boro bwatsigaye umukashisha bukutegereza nubukwaniriza butukuruko mu rukiko kongizo tukiriya abana tubene shukari taramashtage taraminga shimasharazi abana tubene ndeko shuka ibyokushoma tubene sente zokushoma mwe nawe icyo tukubaha mureke kuvuga mukahugira mu byatwena enguuto amashanyarazi ebya district ya city ebintu birungi kokiwe mwawe uryota ndito habura abantu bakayankaga agati n'umuzugu wanyu ukuvuka bakoze konka yinka bage biri mu kabiri bwo tigwaza kukikora icyo ati nyine bikorereho biri ko ngati nyine biri kuza kugore atubwire mu Rwanda rwa kashatu kandi abaturiri baberege bakabishaka nawe tuja kupata misiriye na my staff talking about him and capture his chambers so that I use them to teach other people that can use these other nini reka filmu zanjye tuje kuzina filmu zanjye nizo kuzina imirimo mbonye zo kuzina paka chini mpaka chini za kanisa kama kanisa ile safari ya kashatu itafari hati umri yetu njoka kwa stondo kuna yemero y'abantu bandikao akari mu Kigazi imwe aba district n'amwe mu Kimenyeje yangira ati ito eminyeto bakwiye gukora ati tumiyeto gukora tuwaza kushabisha intezetu za PDM ataniba kugira ile mitaka atkanitaka tindira ataka nidi atata doleje motene takaniba kuimisent atmbele emineshwe Majezaria Rafael Majezaria uzo yemeraba kureka Majeze abatabari y'umushango ngo n'abantu bakitogo hela y'amarondo abanje my staff have their contact my staff hati na emerage ya PDM turukuja ubitaka ubone umushingo nda emerage ya PDM ubone project mingi kamboreke umwana wa Nyamirama from Nyamirama who started a restaurant. Let's see that boy. Nyamirama ni Kanungu
Ministeri ya Kazindero Eastern Ward Nyamirama Kanungu district bwere kuna benyaho mucunguzi w'president yatamu yatosinja ngo parish model tubachi tweje saba district tuwachi kwata watu biyaho iyo twataga amaune twaza kutunga kwa yenyuma itwenka abantu benyuma twatatungezo set akayija na zitunga hisha zatazitunga konka parish model kija kucungura watu ya turavota masimukitu birucha kimwe sente zikwata bampa miliyoni konga kandi positingereho emitwale ebiri aha account yanjye then kuna bakuze bampa miliyoni yone nisha ninyuruka na ikaha na tebikarisa dibweno hati yeze sete naza gukora ki obumbe natancha ka hotel nika kuri hotel mungi aha kuba imbere ukora abantu batina mweno kazi ganze junise inze umuze n'undi mpasa n'undi deni ngumize muri gukora okugira ngo kimpo businji nagonza mpora naje gukora nateka konka amashuri mingi munonga najatinga president okumpa miliyoni na antajine nkakora ki nateka kandi ndizina eriri kumanyonka eriri hihi nesete zibatwira najeta Parish Model Restaurant abantu hare
atuma murugo akate mitaka esente kuyastungire akana korra ombakweta ngule bikoko n'bataka havura ngule bikoko nyonga takavuraga mbategere biti baba bakorramo ngene mwabe natundu kuyatungire sete yapansaruji abako nyibikuri bayongera ati hotel yageta PDM restaurant so ati bagira kubone saka tibirikote restaurant ya Nankomwana Parish Development Model Restaurant na pangis teni takerie te ekizimbe teke ko akapangis company lichoni mushti wa lira bwana sio india kuna wazogoja round
my town council to Lira district.
I'm Mr. Pifiki, a resident of Aling Reserve, Abanya Ward, my town council in Lira district. She got the money for PDM in 2023. 970,000 and then 30,000 remained in the bank. She planted maize. She bought maize 15 sackets. 30,000 each sacket. She used it, actually she planted it in 3 acres of land.
Ogumishi apio akateni takerie sente za PDM ya pangsitaka hikisha tu ya guraziri entamezo mwana mureba so ukubagira ngo ubuni takerie ngo wenejo ebintu byawe bakweteraho ikiturkwenda ubuyine plani eshikire ndetse nyitaka kogana niza pangisa niza gukora iki ikikuru nicyo kwenda gukora tibyoyine abo kandi tumanye ngo sente niza batene bintu nicyo tuzubahereye neza boro so nabo ikintu cyo mukitegura kitagaruka kurwa hata ndona bi hatafarume okubimboro umaka gabanya bono abagaiga bubereza banki za tukabaterese banki UDB bazokuru batunge sente mu UDB koke izi sente nizabo mbere ni tafari ya kashatu itafari ya kana nigira bitu emirimo awukana kintu niteganisa abantu ushanga abantu batekereza imirimo iri mu government kandi kigwire cyo ako government imirimo mike imirimo yone ya government n'imirimo imitwaro anana munana 480,000 jobs korko baraba polisi wabaraba abasirikare wabaraba shomesa wabaraba bona hamwe n'imitwaro anana munana hata abantu bagana tukibiri 15 hata abantu abo bona baje gukora bato mu government hata muri iki atubera basanga utwatwarebire
omulamu gwa president okuba kusere kyakata tusigira president yawe musana ku bintu byakoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako wendogera kati tu lina abakozi ebikubiri bisatu
freezer hata basanga namahurire akabonero nabanga kamuka RC5 kuyahuru khabura kwanjye yazo munkoko hata n'umugege mahurire kwa kutunga ubugege bwabasangwa buzire murimo maganasha y'abanyarwanda emirimo yarigahe nibwo mbega emirimo niyi ukura imirimo gavumenti n'umuntu utakumenya cyaro Yesu gavumenti kuko ntikire uwo murkomwe ubugombo rumwe n'icyaho district amutu mwaho puramo no kutuguza ngo batuguze baguze imirimo munanga ibiro byashira ukwereze bituga tumba kwata kanyina muri bwo kubakwata tumwe bujuru zikabakwata ngabatwara bizira muri kubakene sawe mutakuba rega musinzi abiki mutaramu kandi mbashaka bituga nembo parliament kariya abiki nibakoreye mu nama cyo atubimara basanga akabimbero yabo mugega hato mugega bazare mirimo ategeka kamasha gukata factory atege tawo ni mukureba ikibuga cyo n'iki bashya he nambare n'icyo makuru abanyarwanda bakamanyira ibibuga ibitubuka akaduka twatuye n'ubuduka mukaga bw'abahindi abahindi ya Budara ya Mamdari n'abana babiri ni abaharabu babiri abandi batashiri bimba muri kaga dugaza kariya mu tungana uko dukoshanga n'umukozomo akaruma abakozi babiri Joni mabara kwa Joni ucarani Joni abana betu bari akagura mutaka Joni yabaye aka ashambe cya Budara nabo wabukutora imirimo y'ibiri mbona ati ndabona tawo negera mu makuru hatu makumushanju matano itameje kata mfakto mutwe abakozi abarimo freeze bwa bakozi abakora mu factory imirimo ye ejo tayi y'amakuru yambare atera mu factory shanje n'itanga zikozesa abantu umutwaro munini kuri 2 umutawo n'ejo katuze n'amamve yona n'amamve n'amamve ari amakuru magana shanje n'ashatu nibakozesa abantu emutwaro n'ekumina n'ahandi bahamira n'amamve yereke izindi ata makuru nugakiza government emirundi eshatu kandi bugatangire kwije nabo iki kintu ekyo cyitegereze emirimo nerwo mbugeiga abantu ba family ba companies umukwinga no kurisa uko gukora sente hoteli transport muri aba boda muri aba takochi boda the transport company nabona abana
kama chai nubhoros benema ninga nubhoros amas mchana kaberenja ndeka ne yakuna msababila chi ndeka bana shora benema tamya sam mtoi ya zakai mtoi na yoni imwi hayo kama chai inga mchana kaberenja ndeka bemechi yakora ngani urukumshia kumtoye tuwabati ayo kumtoye shina gona mu ngani umkaswere kata kusaka kwelke no menyechi yakora yakora mchana kabere ngada kura
Onwa mkaga
katafera tujaka tuganira aha kutera plasta otakatire plasta n'ibintu shi ebyeshimwe kwano genderaho ekisika cyawo kishimwe kuba kirikita oshimwe kwano okolesa materials ki omukutera plasta ntuza kuba twine engineer justice najaka nakishobora buri kimwe cyona hachikwatine otakatire oriyo no otera na waheza
shanga nizo cyo mushaza ungaga gari moruwo yo gari mu efakarimbo kigasyaho oshangara twete fluorescence oshangaka aka nakafulu kachira kwijaha aha plastic so kazoka kahumwe umunyakwetaka umungo muri jungu ne fluorescence nikasikamu nikija mtoko gwa plastic ninga matafari hata hicho nikijira mizigwa akozisi mwene muntu akosa plastic yakosanyiza kukudwa oyamanyiza kukajja kigari muga treatingireje
byona naija kubona bitushobora program match orwa mukagoro shahemwe zo mwabazi
wakozesa momo nobu inamani kushashuje bwagura uri kose simu yawe hatari kutekana sibuka yimata star emwe mukagitano star ishatu hashi ningasho scanning code ku downloadinga momo app kushashuje kintu chona hariho kuteganisibwa na change kandi kiri kukiraho sente zakwaho wabo ine cyo kushashura nubasa kongera hazi wabo ine uri koza momo advance ejo niyo momo amani agarukuretera kukiraho.
Nukwetoha
Amanya Abdurazake Muizukuru Wabjega.
Now Amanya.
Yes.
Ata Amanya akali muro atene mwoga. Gon.
Buzima.
Ati kuna mwoga ya atani kukora. Ata ni mwoga. Kana yakoze abantu babiri hati no hati nakoze abantu wariyaho ubugega bwa Amanya hati buzeri mwebiti kare zahazi shitama ija kutezere mu bishani bwanyu
ninye kabanse Caroline kugomera kajana mfunga ma district ngaiza senior 4 kuna wengi mvaka na Chirango naza ishomero eri president yateyeho ndukusima abgecho nkazayo nashoma kuna ndio obraro bukawuryo bwawusha emereriye yawusha kuwabo rwaraho bakabaturagurira ugakoterera ndukusima munonga buri kimwe cyona tine kitwashashire mpaka teza kuna jeyo nagarukumka abazire banje bakabino nkashoma shoemaking kuna rijereyo abazire banje bakabino katoye mtwaro makunyari natwata nazishaka nagura obatiriyozi nabwaturuzi bwokorese Nathan kanakora konka kugira ngo mbentine machine zukumara mbentwara andijo kwenye machine zi afinishinjera nanye ntwaro o market nchibono wholesale na wamuguza mfuna mwaka sente burenkito ezabara benzi kusemtware enkuru entware chatu hata chamanye nkito kama 20 nanye nyamwe ntasya ninksima abo hereza kandi nyina masiko eze sente zoterize ntuza kuziyamu bakuziteza mbaseguraho machine ntungure business yanje nyeyongere misho mpeke kwa bakozi nanye base kutunguka niyo cyanga kitu nanyabuzare bagase kwiganirwa
n'urwo mu cyaro cye
n'urwo mu cyaro cya Shitondo Shitondo Ihunga Kajara
Shitondo Shitondo Rwamugondo Okay. So then after connection. So then hati elita fari diakana erene egitera Uganda okuboreka kandi kabayamba okumanya ngono ndio mugenda hata bakunze kubara kwetu nibagenda mu mesho noreba nubako abana barukubino nambura katu kamboreke bane bakora abana mbireba artimbari ebakora abana babere bateri mutsko kandi mu myezi mukaga yo kubashomesa ushanga bakora ibintu ebine ebintu gurahemu so hatumbe n'icyo kwiziraha hari ibindi bishatu bya press conference indije amatafara ganda ashatu press conference n'abandi president akore njya kugamba amatafara ganda ashatu aturi gambaho nabwecyo hatumkarura kuturumu umuntu yakubuza tabu kino shemba NRM umuntu NRM amatafari agiyatera Uganda itafari yo kubanza no busingi ya kabiri enturuka ya kashatu ubugeri ya kana emirimu abanyankore bagiye funo nguko imiri mu kibuga likiriga na ragurwa kuko bene tuzawe 10 mu kibuga umufumu cyangwa ati mukora byo tungiza yotunga haburekire kamazi nyezezi 10 mu kibuga abo kwezi nazirebe n'abaganda bene byabo kujya ngora byo kuye umwana wazere ni umwana uri utakaze kumanya mbone enaremu yo mwana gwarabiyo abuka enaremu emedi akoze enaremu oye umugurusu w'ikofira oye ntungamo oye Uganda oye East Africa oye Numurike tuhereza abebendera
Thank you so much. May we invite the flag bearers to receive their flags. Thereafter, we shall have our comrades from NUP and FDC coming to take a photo with the president, and we shall have our brothers and sisters from the skilling centers and the youth. The first to receive the flag is Comrade Moses Kalima, NRM flag bearer for Rama East. NRM oye! Engaro basebe n'abanyabo ogunoa NRM bamkwasa flag. The next is Honorable Beatrice Wakamiri. Wachimari. Rama Main. Kabashari. Next is Honorable Benjo Tokaiwa Hamza for Kajara County. May we have Honorable Musinguzi Yona from Tunga Municipality. Next is Honorable Viola Namanya, woman MP. Thank you. And we shall have Mr. Sam Musinguzi for LC5 chairman. And then Jacob Kafureka for mayor and our youth MP for Western Region. Thank you for electing these flag bearers. From now on, the campaign is about flag bearers. Let us concentrate and campaign for the flag bearers and vote for the flag bearers. As we are taking the photo, may we have the youth from the Skilling Center moving forward, and thereafter our comrades from NUP and FDC will move forward and take a photo with the president.